This is swim number 1 of the 1900 swimming lane 0, Ramirez Marie of School of St. Anthony. Lane 1, Campos Gabriel of Assumption College. Lane 3, Mendoza John of Homeschool Global. Lane 5, Mitra Gabriel of St. Mary Academy Plaza. Lane 6, Martinez Micaela of Sex Shark Swim Club. Lane 7, Natividad Celine of SPU QC Golden Links. Lane 8, Usman Miguel of Miriam College Aquatics Team. Lane 9, Velas Mental of School of St. Anthony. Just a reminder, once again, right after the event of 212, 50-meter backstroke, there will be having an awarding ceremony for AM session for Class A and Class B. So all the coaches and swimmer, please proceed